Hi, how are you doing? And let us look at your work. So I took the sound off for the command, obviously. I like what you did. I like that you kept the same font than Microsoft. That was smart. That keeps it a little bit more consistent. I definitely agree. Um, I like the way you set it up. I like the whole thing. There's just a couple things that do bothers me a little bit that I think should be fixed. Number one, there's a lot of time, very long time, stretch of times where you just talk and nothing really, there's no text going on to reinforce on the screen. If you're saying, for example, that the new browser Edge is 10 times faster than the old one or 5 times faster than the other one, you need to at the same time reinforce it by showing a message on the screen, that really reinforce what they're hearing. First, it's reinforcement. Second, it's for also people that cannot hear very well. So when you're in computer, you always think about those things. Let's look at it a second time. And that's one thing really that for me wasn't working so well. Now, second thing is just a little too empty for me. I wish you would take the actual light right here, redo it in After Effects, and kind of animate the light a little bit so it's not so fixed. You know what I'm saying? That would bring a little bit more to it. And every time the title will come in, a new title or new information about what you're saying comes in, you can use the light to kind of get stronger, or to make it appear basically, and then again to make it disappear. Things like that to tidy up cause and effects a little bit more in what you're doing and make your work a little bit more refined than what it is. Also, your commands are just too long and feels too much like someone at home watching a video. Alright, you need to maybe make it a little bit louder on your commands, first of all, shorter on your commands, and maybe rework a little bit the sound so it's a little bit more like TV type of person. Alright, that would be pretty cool. Or, which would be even cooler, would be to use the sound of Cortana, which is the thing that answered to you in Windows 10. That would be even better because that would really link it to that Cortana system that they have now. All right. So overall, this is pretty good. You get an A. But please change those things that I just talked about. I'd be glad to look at it again, 2-3 weeks, even when class is over. I don't care, so you can be proud of it and put it in your portfolio as a real piece. That would really impress people. So do not hesitate to do that. Be glad to help you. Like I said, this is an A, but I think you can do much better. All right, good job. Thank you.